Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Odyssey alternator. First, gather your essential tools like a socket set, a serpentine belt tool, and a new alternator. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal to ensure your safety. Next, locate the alternator, which is typically found on the front of the engine, often near the power steering pump. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Begin by using your serpentine belt tool to release the tension, then carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the unit. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine bracket. This frees the old unit for removal. Installing the new alternator is straightforward. Carefully position the new unit into its bracket and hand-tighten the mounting bolts. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires and the main power cable, ensuring they are secure and tight. Finally, reroute and reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it's properly seated on all pulleys. Double-check all connections before proceeding. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Honda Odyssey and observe the dashboard for any warning lights. Use a multimeter to verify the charging voltage, which should ideally be between 13.5 and 14.5 volts. If everything looks good, you're all set. Also, for ultimate comfort and durability, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.